Alright, last year, if you guys remember, there was a coffee challenge that was going around between all the YouTube channels, and it was cool, it was fun, then it died out. We're here to revive it. So we're going to be challenging some of the channels out there to brew their best cup of coffee. And we're here today at Lacombe Lake. Beautiful. Nice and warm today. However, ice is still on the lake, so we're starting to transition into spring and everybody wants to get outside. So anyways, this is my version of the coffee challenge. So for the coffee I'm going to use today, local company out of Sylvan Lake, White Frog Cafe. Always support local. These guys are awesome and they've got a great story, a really great story. So they're out of Sylvan Lake, yes, but the beans come from the family ranch in Colombia. This is true grown in Colombia beans from the family ranch and distributed out of Sylvan Lake. So if you guys haven't had a chance to check it out, White Frog Coffee. This is pretty cool. I can't wait to try it out. That is a good cup of coffee. Who doesn't like a fresh cup of coffee? Man, that was awesome. These guys make an amazing product. You got to check it out. Anyways, this is where the shout out comes in. Dave, Blind Man Overland, can't wait to see your best cup of coffee. And Chad from CK Knife and Tool, man, I can't wait to see your best cup of coffee. Coffee challenge is out there, guys. Let's see what you got. One of my favorite coffee cups of all time, the Brew Trek. Got it while I was down at the Northwest Overland rally, and it's been one of my favorite acquisitions of all time. I love this thing. It stays with me all the time, and it's got a coffee press built right in. Take her easy.